Hi guys, this is Chris from Bunsey Cloud Tech, and today we'll discuss about the cloud computing. Let's see the characteristics of starting from the characteristic of the cloud computing. First is there is no upfront capital expense. Pay only for what you consume. It's low cost. Low cost. Okay. Self-service infrastructure, true elasticity capacity, improve business agility, and we will see about the platform overview, deployment and administration, app services, compute, storage, database, networking. So if you come from the down to up, bottom to up, AWS global infrastructure, above networking, compute, storage and database, above the networking, and top of that app service, and above deployment and administration. So let's see AWS region and availability zone. Availability zone is nothing but the data center, and region is the collection of data center. As you can see, the AWS global regions and data center is throughout the location, throughout the geo. You can see the overview of services. S3 EC2, that is storage and compute, will cover. There are other services as well as database, application service, content delivery, deployment and management. So storage S3 and EBS. So what is S3? You all know that storage for the simple storage service. Storage for the internet, natively online HTTP access, store and retrieve any amount of data anytime from anywhere on the web, and it is highly scalable, reliable, fast and durable. Its durability is 99.1234567 durability. Here you can see the growth of scale of Amazon. We'll talk about the storage, that is Amazon Elastic Block Store EBS. Block storage volume for use with Amazon EC2 instance. Attached to running instance and exposed as a block device. Off instance storage that persists independently of Amazon EC2 instance. Snapshot stored durably in Amazon S3. AWS Storage Gateway. This is another service of the storage. Easily backup on-premises data to AWS. If you want to move your on-premise data to AWS, this is the how we have to do. Store snapshot in Amazon S3 for backup and disaster recovery, and simple software appliance, no changes required to your own premises architecture. AWS import export, accelerate, move large amount of data into and out of Amazon S3 or Amazon ABS, transfer your data directly onto and off to storage devices, uses Amazon high speed internet network. Let's see compute. It's a easy to resizable compute capacity, complete control of your computing resources, reduces the time required to obtain and boot new server instance to minutes, scale capacity as your computing requirement changes, pay only for capacity that you actually use. So let's see what is Amazon EMR. Easily and cost effectively process vast amount of data, utilize a hosted Hadoop framework. Auto scaling is another service within compute. Scale your Amazon EC2 capacity automatically, well suited for applications that experience variability in usage. Available at no additional charge. ELB, that is Elastic Load Balancing, supports and routing the load balancing of HTTP and HTTPS and TCP traffic to EC2 instance. Supports health check to ensure, detect and remove failing instance. Dynamically grow and shrink required resources based on traffic. Seamlessly integrate with auto scaling to add and remove instance based on scaling activity. Single CNAME provides stable entry point to DNS configuration. So that's all. We will go to database in the next video. So if you like my video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and also please put your valuable comment in the comment section so that we will know and improve ourselves to provide which videos you like better. So this is Chris signing off for Bunsey Cloud Tech. See you. Bye bye. Next video. Thank you. Cheers.